Hello. In this video, we use the new Outlook to do a mail merge directly from Outlook. Now, before we've had to use Word to do this, but now you can do it right here in Outlook. So first of all, open up. And what we need to do is make sure that we are sending a mail merge. We pick our recipients. And I'm simply going to use very quickly a couple of email addresses from my address book, remembering that actually we don't want to send emails internally, but this may be external people that we are bringing in here. Once you've done that, you write your email. So I'm writing an email to explain about using Teams internally rather than out, which would be a really good email when you're using email. And I'm going to switch into drafting that with Copilot if you've got Copilot and generating that email. So I can keep that and I can look at that and see if it matches my style, the way I work. I want to change how that is worded potentially. And if I send that, I simply send it as a mail merge. And what it does is it sends each person on that line their own individual email. So next time you have to send an email to multiple people, externally, of course, then try Outlook's new email mail merge feature. Thank you.